Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to change text size in Windows 11. Windows 11 includes several accessibility settings that make the user experience comfortable. If you find the default text size in Windows 11 is too small or big, then this Garip Windows video tutorial will help you. High-resolution computers and laptops have their own advantages and disadvantages. Sometimes you might find texts on the screen too tiny and challenging to read. Commonly, Windows 11 handles high DPI automatically and adjusts elements and texts so they're average in size. But if you find that text is too small or too large on your screen, regardless of its resolution, you need to fix it. Here is how to do it. How to change text size in Windows 11? To increase or decrease the text size in Windows 11, first, open Windows 11 Settings by pressing Windows + keyboard shortcut. When the Settings window appears on your screen, select the Accessibility option on the left side. On the right, click the Text Size option. Now, use the text size slider to increase or decrease the size of the text. Here, you can see a preview of the text size above the slider. Once you have found the correct text size, click the Apply button. The changes are immediate, which means when you select any value, depending upon the selection, the text size will increase or decrease throughout Windows 11. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.